We'll guide you through how to create a hanging indent in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Doc where you want to add the hanging indent. Highlight the paragraph or text where you want to apply the hanging indent. Go to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down, select Align and Indent, then choose Indentation Options. A new window will pop up, and here you need to focus on the Special Indent section. Click on the drop-down menu next to Special Indent and select Hanging. You'll notice an input box next to it that allows you to specify the indentation in inches. The default is usually 0.5 inches, which is standard for hanging indents, but you can adjust this if you need a different spacing. Once you have set your preferred indent, click Apply to see the changes in your document. You'll see that the first line of your selected text stays at the margin while the subsequent lines are indented, creating that distinctive hanging indent look. If you need to apply this to multiple paragraphs, you can simply highlight all the relevant text before going through these steps. This feature is particularly useful for formatting bibliographies or lists of works cited in academic papers. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance the readability and professional appearance of your documents. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.